Analysis on Deriv. And remember, we are analyzing synthetic first. We've already analyzed the Forex market. Remember, we are using the same broker boost for Forex and for synthetic. So in case you're not familiar with them, I'll leave a link for you in the description. Their name is Deriv. I'll leave a link for you in the description for you to register an account with them. And of course, it give you access to several assets you can actually trade even on weekend on public holidays. So that's it. Let's just start into trade for VIX75 1 second. Okay, since the market is already bullish around here, remember we are looking for day trade. Since it's already bullish around there, look, we can see this level right here, well respected. Let me do it properly so you can. Now, our next likeliness of getting to is this zone. But remember, you can see have some pullbacks. So let's go to 15-minute challenge for bullish trade. I haven't been that tested there. You can see breaking these previous levels right here. So let's see. We are now looking for internal levels. We want to see the market making new structures. That same level, unable to break above this, stopping here. They want to see breaking above this again. Once can get something like this, then we go long on it. And of course, stop loss is going to be here. Then take profit minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. So that means our entry is going to be somewhere around this level. Stop loss, growth perfect. Then take profit 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. So this is what I'll be expecting on what's it called VIX75 1 second for today. Alright, I think that's a bit clear. Nothing much to say on that. Remember, if you have any comments, you can drop in the comment section. Alright, so let's go to 75 itself. On 75, I think I'm already seeing some bullish setups on days already. But then let me still go back to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what's going on. On 4-hour chart, I think it's still very much bullish. I'm comfortable with the bullish setup. So let me go back to 15-minute chart. Let me analyze to say my entry and my setup for today. Of course, you can see it breaking above this previous level. So this is where I'll be looking forward to trade right now. But then I'm not still comfortable. I want it to actually pull back to this level or change structure again. So I can't really place any trade right because buying this level just like cheating the market, because your stop loss, if you put somewhere, you might actually come back to the test. So I rather let it go instead of forcing it to go my way. So if it doesn't pull back to a maybe a previous resistance around this level, that means I just let it go. I see another change of structure for me to go long. So for now, I'm not doing anything on volatility 75. Okay, so let's go to the boom index. We'll be starting up with the boom 500. Okay, on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we seem to be seeing the market trying to break above its own previous high. So then that's not validated until this is taken out. Then that's where you can say, okay, yes, we are looking for long trade. But for now, it's not yet confirmed. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what really is going on. Okay, so what I just said is that my level is currently around this. Okay, let me delete this first so you can have a better clear my chart for us to analyze. So I'm currently looking at this level. Let me take out these two zones. So if the market can actually move above this, then I'm looking for a long trade. So that's what I'm looking forward to on boom 500. So I'm waiting for the market to actually break out of this, then pull, we test it, then I go long on boom 500. Okay, so let's go back to boom 1000. Okay, to the 4-hour chart again. Seems to be bearish. Remember, focusing on just this. After getting to this level, let's take out all this. You can see it's moving bearish. So let's see if that bearish is actually confirmed, or have we seen pull back again to this level, or probably be broken above it. For now, now if you have to look at this, you can see this triple bottom right here. Then you can see the market currently making this. Okay, so that means there are chances of actually breaking below this. Okay, so that means what I'm looking forward to. My entry is there. Stop loss is above this level, above this, then take profit minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. Alright, so this is my setup on Boom 1000. Okay, so let's go to the crash index. Let's start up with the crash 500. So the 4-hour charts, I'm not comfortable with it still. I think I did that yesterday too. So I'm not really comfortable with it until you start giving clear, better charts. Better still, I can even still mark out this whole zone right here. So I'm not really comfortable with everything going on around this. So I just leave crash 500. So for today, I'm not doing anything on crash 500. So let me go to the final one, which is crash 1000 for today. And of course, you can see it's already very, very bullish on the 15-minute charts. We actually took bullish with yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? I can't really remember. Yeah, I think yesterday. Yes, yesterday, right? Yes, yesterday. And of course, that was actually very profitable. So we are still looking forward to bullish trade still. But then for now, no any entry for me. I'm not really comfortable with all this. So if I see a better entry, I'm not really chasing past 1000. So I just let it go until I see a better entry. Alright, that said, I wish you a profitable day trade. Please remember, this is a financial advice. I'm just telling you what I am looking forward to do today. You can just use this as a guide in your personal analysis to have a better edge in the market. So please ensure you stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.